Hi everyone. In today's lecture, we have to discuss about the topic pre-dissociation. This is the topic from the electron spectroscopy of a diatomic molecules. First, we have to see the definition of the pre-dissociation. It is nothing but the process of the internal conversion from excited state A into the dissociative state B. This is the definition of the pre-dissociation we can understand with the help of figure. Suppose this is the potential energy curve. These are the two levels of the energy curves. First one is the ground state. Second one is the excited state. And third one is the dissociative state. Dissociative state means the internal conversion is occur between these two states. That is, first one is the excited state and second one is the dissociative state. And here the canonical intersection is a takes place between these two energy levels. And when this canonical intersection is takes place, then the blurred region is occur between these two states. When frequency is 80 to frequency 90, and this is caused due to the intersection between these two states. First one is the excited state and second one is the dissociative state, and these lines are discrete. And again, when the wave number is increases, when the wave number is increases, there is a high vibrational state. Means the frequency is also increases, energy is also increases, and wave number is also increases. And then in this third section, the blurred region is exclude, or it is the disappear. Means that there are no any discrete lines. And when there is a discrete lines, then the region of a pre-dissociation is occur. It is known as the pre-dissociation. Then we have to discuss about this figure. This is the same figure of the potential energy versus the internuclear separation R. This is the ground state, this is the excited state, and this is the dissociative state, and this is nothing but the dissociation limit. Pre-dissociation is arise when the two electronic states are caused. That is, the pre-dissociation arise when the electronically excited state and dissociative state are cross. And here these two states are cross, and here hence there is a pre-dissociation is occur. Usually, the electronic state is a stable state. Electronic state is a stable state and have a well potential diagram. Here is a well potential diagram, and other state is the repulsive state. Means the excited state is a stable state, and this is why this is the stable state, because the potential energy of the excited state is less than the potential energy of the repulsive state. And repulsive state is nothing but the dissociative state. And we can understand this stability by using the one relation. When the potential energy is increased, then molecule is a diatomic molecule is less stable, then stability is decreases. And when the potential energy is decreases, then stability is increases. Hence, in the first electronically excited state, this is the stable state, and second one is the dissociative state. This is the unstable state due to the little bit higher energy than the electronically excited state. And in this process, it is occur without the emission of the radiation of a molecule from a stable excited state into the unstable excited state. Unstable excited state is nothing but the dissociative state. And here we can see that the absorption is occur, but the emission is not occur in this molecule from between the two state. Then in this spectra, the line structure is a disappear already in the for energy below the dissociation limit. Means here the line structure is a appear, but there are some discrete energy levels. And the pre-dissociation is occur where the discrete lines are occur. When there is a discrete lines, then the pre-dissociation is occur. And here this is the dissociation limit, and this is the higher energy, and this is the lower energy than the dissociation limit. And when the energy is increases above the dissociation limit, there are no any lines. And here here below the dissociation limits there are energy lines, but those lines are discrete lines and blur lines, and it is known as the pre-dissociation. Means what, the pre-dissociation is occur below the dissociation limit. Now dissociation limits means what, there are two potential energy curve at the higher potential energy curve. This is the higher potential energy curve, and here is the dissociation limits is made. Means the dissociation limit is happen at the higher energy level state, and there is a canonical intersection. Canonical intersection means what, the two or more potential energy surfaces. This is the one potential energy surface, and this is the second one potential energy surface having the potential energy surfaces are degenerate. Degenerate means what, the two state having a equal energy is known as the degenerate state. This is the two state and having a equal energy here. This is the equal energy of the two potential state. It is known as the canonical intersection, and also the coupling is occur in this between in this two state. It is known as the canonical intersection. Here the pre-dissociation topics is ends.